Assalamu alaikum. Myself Sheikh Shehban. Today we are going to learn first chapter of maths, that is angles and pairs of angles. Okay, let's start. Practice set 16. First question. The measures of some angles are given below. Write the measures of their complementary angles. In my PPT video, I explain what is complementary angle. When the sum of two angles are 90 degree, then it's called complementary angles. Okay, now here angles of measure of one angle is given, that is 40 degree. Then we have to find measure of its complementary angle. Okay, now 40 degree it's given. We can write like solve like this also. Let complementary angle of (40° angle be x. Okay, therefore 40° plus x degree is equal to 90°. Why it is 90? Because it's complementary angle. The sum of two angles, when the sum of two angles is 90 degrees, is called its pair of complementary angle. Okay, now here we have to find x, value of x, therefore 90 degree minus 40 degree. Okay, now 90 minus 40, it's 50 degree. Therefore x is 50 degree. Then answer is what? 50 degree. Its answer. Okay, now next question, that 63 degree. Then we can find that let complementary angle, same way we have to calculate complementary angle of 63 degree be x. Okay, now same way 63 degree plus x degree is equal to 90 degree. Okay, now we have to find the value of x, therefore 90 degree minus 63 degree. Here subtract this 63 from 90, then 10 minus 3 is 7. Now it's become 8. Now 8 minus 6 is 2. 27 degree. Therefore answer is what? 27 degree. Okay, now third question, 45 degree. Now let the measure of the complementary angle be x. First step is what? To assume. Okay, now here let the measure of the complementary angle what be x. Therefore 45 plus x now is equal to 90. Why it is 90? Because it's complementary angle, pair of complementary angle. Now we have to find the value of x. Therefore x is equal to 90. Here 45 is in plus, therefore it is in minus. Then 90 degree minus 45 degree. When we subtract 45 from 90, what we get? 45. X is equal to 45. Now answer is what? 45 degree. Last statement, the measure of the complement of an angle of measure 45 degree is 45 degree. Okay, now fourth question, let the measure of the fourth question is 55 degree. Same steps we have to follow again. Let the measure of the complementary angle be x. Now same step again, 55 degree plus x is equal to 90 degree. Now we have to find the value of x, therefore x is equal to 90 minus 55. When I subtract 10 minus 5, it's what? It's 5. Now 4 minus 5, 3. 8 minus 5 is 3. Okay, here 10 minus 5 is 5 and 8 minus 5 is 3. Therefore x is equal to 35 degree. Now answer is what? 35 degree. Now measure of the last statement is what? The measure of the complement of an angle of measure 55 degree is 35 degree. Okay. Now fifth question is same. It's 20 degrees. Same steps like this we have to follow here also. Now seventh question, 6 also same. That's why I written the seventh question. Now here the question is what? X degree. Therefore same steps again we have to follow here. Let the measure of the complementary angle be y. Now x plus y is equal to 90 degree. Now y is equal to 90 minus x. Now we can't subtract x from 90, then let it be and we will write like this only, means y is equal to 90 minus x degree. Now answer same, 90 minus x. Last statement is what? The measure of the complement of an angle of measure x degree is 90 minus x degree. Second question, y minus 20 degree and y plus 30 degree. Y minus 20 degree and y plus 30 degree are the measures of complementary angles. Find the measures of each angle. Okay. Now here the measure of angles is given in this way, y minus 20 and y plus 30 degree. It means sum of these two angles, measure of angle is equal to 90 degree. Why it is 90 degree? Because it's complementary angle. What it is? It is complementary angle. Okay. Now same steps we learn in first question, means sum of these two angles, y minus 20 degree plus y plus 30 degree, okay, is equal to 90 degree. Okay. Now in BODMAS what we learn, first step is what? That open the bracket. Now first we are opening the bracket, 20 degree plus y plus 30 degree is equal to 90 degree. Now numbers here, 1y, nothing is given, means 1 and 1, 1 plus 1, 2y. Now this 20 and this 30, this is minus, this is plus, then minus plus minus, then 30 minus 20 is 10. What's bigger, 20 or 30? 30 is bigger, therefore sign of plus. Now here 90 degree. Okay. Now 2y is equal to here plus 10, no? Then it becomes 90 degree minus 10 degree. Therefore 90 minus 10, 80 degree, and here 2y. Now we have to find the value of y. Therefore y, 2y, nothing, no sign is given here. It means here the sign is of multiplication. Understood? Now opposite of multiplication is what? Division. Therefore 80 upon 2, y is equal to 80 upon 2. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, and this 0. Now y is equal to 40. Then how we can find the value of each angle? First angle is given, y minus 20 degree is equal to 40 minus 20 degree is equal to 40 minus 20 is 20 degree. And second is what? Y plus 30, y plus 30 degree. Now value of y is 40 plus 30 degree, here 0 0, then 4 plus 3 7. Now this is the answer. Hope you understood. Jazakallah khair.